मैं तो म्यूचुअल फंड्स पे लगाऊंगा।
किट 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 किट
किट किट किट किट
ये किटकिट हटाइए। म्यूचुअल फंड्स में इन्वेस्ट करना हो तो आप स्टॉक्स पे आइए। टॉप फंड्स के लिए अप स्टॉक्स, कट द किटकिट, गेट इन द मार्केट। म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर सब्जेक्ट टू मार्केट रिस्क्स। रीड all the related documents carefully before investing.
Hello friends, welcome to our skill courses channel. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create trading account. So let's discuss this topic until the end. So trading account, what is trading account? Trading account is that account you can exchange your shares and for the money. And you can, these shares are bought for the investors and for any kind of certified depositors also. So when you do first of all, when you create any kind of trading account, first of all you have to create the demat account. So demat account, when you create your own demat account, you will get automatically to create your own trading account also. So when you do that, when any kind of investors sell any kind of shares, when any buyers want to purchase any kind of buyers for a particular shares, so you can buy an exchange of that particular shares in that trading account. So it is a best way. Trading account is a link between demat account also. And when you first of so that I am telling that you have to open the first demat account, then you can open your own trading account. Okay, then and it will get automatically to open the trading account from your demat account also. So it is facilitated by any kind of trading account holders. And it is a, if you want to trade any kind of equities, commodities, derivatives, you can also doing the trade or also going investments in that particular account also. So it is goes for allotments is the best way to get for any kind of trading account also. Nowadays, you can also get the functions to that particulars and incline for opening a trading account. So look at now, open a trading account, you can see your screens for that. So I will go to a Google account, then I will type Upstock free demat account and then I will enter it. Okay, you see here. After that, I will click on this link and your web page get open like this. You see here. After that, you should click on this open free demat account. You see here. Then you see here and you can type your mobile numbers and then you can mobile verifications and then you have to type your email ID, then email ID, OTP and verifications, and then all KYC documents you have to record for that. And then also you have to submit the bank details, and for also you have to submit after all you have to take the few days to open your own demat account. So guys, I have already opened the demat account, so I will go to here Upstocks. Okay, I will go to here in Upstocks and then I will enter it. Then you see here it is a landing page get open over here Upstocks. So then I will type my mobile number over here and then I will type here OTP. Okay, then I will type this 6-digit pin and then I will click and then I will type my pin also. Okay, then you see your demat account get open and also you can start trading also, or your trading account also get open over here. You see here. Then which kind of document you have to require to open this kind of trading and demat account? Then first of all, like that you have to submit your address proofs for that to create your own demat account. So number one, address proof, PAN card is compulsory for that. Then number second, Aadhaar card is compulsory for your address proof. Number third, then you have to show your light bill or any kind of water bill. You have to submit it carefully. Then you have to copy of their any kind of PAN card and for your any kind of proof that you have to submit in KYC processes. Then you have to submit your bank details and bank statement for that opening a demat account or trading account. E-KYC process to share and trading for the account also. So if you want to manually start for the KYC process to go further, you have to hire one brokerage firms, and then you have to submit all these kind of details to that broker, and then you can open your Demat account from that broker also. Then you can you see here you can also get link Aadhaar card and PAN card, and you have to upload the PAN card and give them PAN card to that broker also. Then you have to verify your Aadhaar verifications and as well as PAN card verification also. Then you can also give them cancel checks for to that broker also. You can also get completed from end to end process from here. So what we have to conclude from this, I am conclude that we have to conclude that we have to open the trading account for the investing purposes and market and has to get become easy for that. So when you do that and you have to specify a process for tradings and as well for the individuals and increasing participations, and from the investing the capital markets you have to get any kind of account for that purpose, and you can also get start trusted with the stock brokers in India also. So this is the way you can start your create your own trading account, and as well as you can start investing also. So let's investing from right now in Upstock also. So if you like my informative video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for more informative video. So thank you.